Hi students, welcome to Maths class. Here I am Venkatesh. Today we will learn an interesting and important topic from 6th class mathematics. Actually your syllabus is changed, so that's why in this class I will try to explain about some basic concepts related to your class, that is number system. Next concept is expanded form of numbers. What is meant by expanded form of numbers? Expanded form of numbers means expressing a number in the form of place values. For example, here it is a number consisting of 4 digits 3, 4, 7, 2. So try to write down this number into a expanded form. Here try to apply place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how many thousands here? 3000 plus 100. 4 is in hundreds place, its value is 400, plus 7 is in tens place, 70, plus 2 is in ones place, 2. So express this. 3000 is there, 4 hundreds is there, 7 tens is there, 2 ones is there. How many thousands? 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens, 2 ones. If you express the given digit as a numeration, nothing but combination of words, this is called as the expanded form of numbers. Another example, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. A simple trick for you: simply take the digit 7, then after how many places is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 places is there. So that's why insert 4 zeros, which means 70,000 plus next digit take 3. Next how many places is there? 3. Insert 3 zeros. 3000 plus next digit 4. How many places? 2. So 400. Next 3. One digit is one place value is there. So that's why 0, 1, 0. 7. There is no places 7 after. So that's why no zeros. 70,000. 7. 10,000 is there. 3 thousands is there, 4 hundreds is there, 3 tens is there, plus 7. 7 10,000s, 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 7 ones. This is the expanded form of the number. Next concept is standard form of the number. Here the number is given in the form of expanded form. You have to notate this into standard form. What is the standard form of this? Simply adding all 4,271, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 2, 2, 4. So 4,271 is the standard form of the given expanded form. Next, 40,000. Here once observe, 40,271, 1, 7, 2, 0, 4, 40271. Understand here 4000, after hundreds places 2 hundreds, after tens places 7 tens, after ones. Here 40,000, 10,000's place, then after 1000 places not there, so that's why ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s is there, that is 4, hundreds is there, that is 2, 7 tens, tens place is there, that is 1, 7, next ones is also there, that is 1. So keep the digit ones place 1, keep the digit tens place 7, keep the digit 100 place 2, but there is no digits for thousands place, so that's why simply insert 0 in that place. This is the standard form of numbers. Next concept is comparison of number. While comparing any number, we will use 3 symbols for comparison purpose. What is this symbol? This is greater than, this is less than, this is equal to, greater than, less than, is equal to. When will we use greater than symbol? For indicating like this. Here 7 is greater number when compared to 6. So 7 is greater than to 6. Less than. Here 5 is a less number when compared to 8. 5 is less than 8, is equal to. 3 is equal to 3. Some students are confusing to remember, here it is greater than or this is greater than. So simply try to remember. In less than, once observe the symbol and L also same. So that's why less than symbol is just like a bent L. You can easily remember. Next one, actually these two symbols are consisting, one is open ended and another one is closed ended. Open ended, closed ended. Open ended part is always shows bigger number. Let's compare, 7 is the bigger number, so that's why open ended part is showing bigger number. Here 8 is big, so that's why open ended part is showing 8 number. In this way you can also remember how to place the symbols like greater than and less than also. Less than symbol is just like a bent L. Remember this one. While comparison of numbers, we should remember some rules. For example, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, 1. In these two numbers, which one is greater number? Yes, very good. 4, 5, 6, 1 is the greater number because it is consisting more number of digits. The first rule is the number containing more number of digits, that is the bigger number. Here once count 1, 2, 3, 3 digits only here, but in this number 1, 2, 3, 4 digits contains. So if the number of digits is greater, that is the greater number. Next, if the number of digits is same, how can we compare? By simply observing the extreme ends. Here the number consisting 4 digits, this is also consisting 4 digits. Then how can we decide? By using extreme digits. Here the extreme digit is 4, here the extreme digit is 5. Which is big, 5 or 4? 5 is big, so that's why this is the greater number. By using when will we use extreme digits? If the number of digits is same. Next concept, if the number of digits is same, and also extreme ends is also same. Here the number of digits in this number is 5, here also 5. How can we decide? Simply simply by using second rule. What is that? Second rule is extreme ends or extreme digits. Here extreme digits also same. Then what we want to do here? We have to do here just move to right side, then compare to next digit. Here 4 is the next digit, in this 3 is the next digit. So in the next digits, which one is big, 4 or 3? 4 is the big, so that's why this is the bigger number. In next also, for example 4, here next digit also same means next compare to next digit. This digit also same means turn to next digit. This digit also same means move to next digit. By comparing next digits from left to right, from left to right, if you compare one digit after one digit after, you can easily decide which one is bigger number and which one is smaller number. Comparison of digits. While we are comparing, we use two methods, whether smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. That is meant by ascending order next one is descending order. What is meant by ascending order? Arranging of numbers from smallest to biggest is called as ascending order. Arranging of numbers from smallest to biggest. Next, descending order, reverse case. Arranging of numbers from biggest to smallest is known as descending order. For example, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Here, which one is the smallest number? 31, 72, 63, 45. 31 is the smallest. Then after 45. Then after 63. Then after 72. If you observe carefully, here the numbers are arranged from smallest number to biggest number. This type of arrangement is called as ascending order. Next, descending order, same example. Try to arrange this in the form of descending order. Descending order, how can we arrange? From biggest to smallest. In the given example, what is the biggest number? 72 is the biggest number. Then after 63, then after 45, then after 31. Well, so here the numbers are arranged in the form of biggest to smallest. This type of arrangement is called as descending order. Example, arrange the below numbers in ascending and descending orders. What are the given numbers? These are the numbers. So now try to arrange these numbers in ascending order. First one is solution. Given set of numbers. 453 is given, 55321 is given, 5764 is given, 43521 is given. So we want to arrange this set in the form of ascending order and descending order. First one is ascending order. Ascending order. Before I explain what is ascending order, arranging of numbers from smallest to biggest. Here we have to decide which is the smallest number. Once memorize, once recall the rules learnt in the before. Here 453, how many number of digits is called? It has 3. Here 1 2 3 4 5 digits it has. Here 4 digits it has. Here 1 2 3 4 5 digits it has, which means in comparison the smallest number of digits is the smallest number. In the given, which one contain the smallest number of digits? 3 number of digits it contain, that is 453. That's why 453 is the smallest number. Then after smallest number is 4 digit figure. 4 digit figure is 5764. Then after one is 5 digits. Here this number and this number contains both having 5 digits. How can we decide? Come to next rule. Try to compare the extreme digits. Here extreme digits also same. Next come to third rule. What is that one? Next compare to the next digit. Here 5, here 3. Which one is bigger? 4 5 3 2 1 is the bigger. So that's why this is the smallest one. So 4 3 5 2 1. Next 4 5 3 2 1. This is the ascending order of the numbers. Next descending order. It is very easy to write because arranging of numbers from biggest to smallest already arranged in smallest to biggest. If you write as a reverse case, that is gives the answer as descending order. This is the biggest number 4 5 3 2 1. Next 4 3 5 2 1. Next 5 7 6 4. Next 4 5 3. This is the descending order because here the numbers are arranged in biggest to smallest. Formation of numbers using digits. How can we form a number by using the given digits? Smallest number, biggest number. How can we form a smallest number? By arranging the given digits in smallest number. If you want to form a smallest number, simply arranging the given digits in ascending order. Here biggest number. How can we form a biggest number? By simply arranging that given digits in descending order. Descending order. Already before I explained about ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. For example, 3 9 2 1. These are the given digits. Try to frame a 4-digit number by using these given digits. If you want to form a smallest number, so you want to simply arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Here the smallest digit is 1. Next smallest digit is, next one is 2. Next one is 3. Next one is 9. 1239 is the possible smallest 4-digit number formed by the given digits. Next, same example. If you want to frame a biggest number, you should arrange the given digits into the descending order. Descending order means simply arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Here the biggest digit is 9, then after 3, then after 2, then after 1. So 9321 is the biggest possible number, 4-digit number formed by the digits 3, 9, 2, 1. Here is a special case. For example, 0, 2, 3, 4 are the digits. How can we form a smallest number? By simply arranging ascending order means smallest to biggest 0 comma 0 2 3 4, but 0 is in the extreme end is not a 4-digit number. For example, let's observe 1, the value is 1, 0 1, the value is 1, 0 0 1, the value is 1, which means if the 0 is expressed in the extreme end, that will not get any value. So that's why it is the a 3-digit number, because 234 its value. So that's why here what we want to ask here, 4-digit number. So insert 0 in between next 2 digits. So 2 0 3 4 is the smallest possible number, smallest possible 4-digit number framed by the given digits. Example, form a 4-digit smallest and biggest number from 0 comma 9 comma 3 comma 7. Solution. So here question is, form a 4-digit smallest and biggest number from 0 comma 9 comma 3 comma 7 digits. So solution, given digits, the given digits are 0 comma 9 comma 3 comma 7. Smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. If you want to arrange smallest 4-digit number, simply arranging the given digits into ascending order. Here the smallest number, smallest digit is 0, then after 3, then after 7, then after 9, but it is not a 4-digit number because 0 is in extreme end. So that's why insert 0 in between next 2 digits. 0 3 7 9 is the possible 4-digit smallest number. Next one, biggest number, biggest 4-digit number, biggest 4-digit number. How can we arrange biggest 4-digit number? By simply arranging the given digits into descending order. Descending order means biggest one to smallest one. Here in this digits, what is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. Then after 7, then after 3, then after 0. So 9730 is the biggest 4-digit number. 3079 is the smallest 4-digit number.